What are you having? Nachos. You only have Fanta. I'm having ginger. I only like snacks with famous almost. Can I have one? Only one because I can't eat too much cheese. My favorite. Angela says she don't wanna eat. Wale mo yan, Angela? Probably fat like mommy. Angela wale fat tankou. It's okay. Angela is getting tired from walking to the march, to the march, to the march. Too much from the zoo. Larry is having fun eating nachos. So we're about to leave. What time you guys wanna leave? It's so humid, like so hot in here. At the zoo. 2 o'clock to 15. Okay. We'll leave by then. Okay, I had fun with my babies. I had so much fun. We're coming back soon. Oh, gone. Oh, gone. Again. Bye. Say bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.